All right, well, we forgot the first flip to film it, so now that was just a spatula flip. So we're going to do a flapjack flip. All right. Wow, that came out great. I haven't done it in a while. Woohoo! Oh, this poor big old pancake. A nice flapjack flip. Oh, that came out perfect. Gotta up our game. Well, she's at a good temperature. Close to full medium. Not ready yet. All right, we're just trying to see if this is sticky or not. Yeah, she's still too wet to flip. Now, I guess if you were on the frontier and you didn't have a spatula and only a pan, you just have to wait till a little, better cooked, because you wouldn't have the spatula to test it out. I think it might work now. All right, little misfire, but worked. Nice. All right, the third pancake flapjack flip for good and all. Remember Gangs of New York? For good and all, Bill the Butcher. Ooh, that sent some butter and stuff a-flying. Yep, that was a little bit of a... Well, to continue with our, camping rustic style cooking, I just cracked 3 eggs and scrambled them up in the same bowl that I had the pancake batter in. Looks more like an omelet. I think you got to scramble it in the... Hey, you know what? This could be interesting. It's got residual pancake mix in there. Who knows how this is going to come out? Could be interesting. Well, it came out like an omelet, so I might as well go with that and add a little cheese. And I'll have to go grab a piece of ham because... Oh no, don't tell me there's no ham. Oh, there's a piece of ham. All right. Not bad. Voila! Ho ho! Look at that ham and cheese omelet. Nice. All right, our omelet looks ready. Let's see if this is cooked on this side. Oh, beautiful. It's got cheddar cheese, eggs, and ham, Virginia ham. So let's stop the heat. We've got this. Got a sausage. Got more than we're gonna eat, maybe. All right. So, got auxiliary sausage, auxiliary eggs. I think we got enough. Hey, oh, and the best, the coffee. I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay. Oh well. Anyway, thanks for watching and please subscribe and hope you're having a yummy breakfast too on a cloudy July, I think it's the 20th. All right. All right, well, we can taste our breakfast now. We'll start off. We'll save the coffee for last. Let's taste the pancake. This is just adding water to the mix. Nothing fancy. No milk, no eggs, no extra nothing. Wow. It's frighteningly good. Maybe I'm just going to make it that way from now on. Just add the water. Here's my omelet with cheddar cheese and ham. Oh, and we see we got some ham in there. Wow. And we'll slice a piece of sausage. Wow. Wow, tastes better than it looks.